Oh, brother. I made the mistake of telling my wife I was coming out here to work on this, and then she came out. She wanted me to prune this tree and prune the bushes and everything. So, hey, whatever. I got all that stuff thrown in here already. And just as well, I needed the little small pruners anyways to kind of cut that. Now, I'm just showing you my progress so far. And you see look at all the roots down here. Look at that. And see that one? There's a big one right there, and it goes off to the side too. And that root right there is why this edge raised up. And I'm not sure if that's coming from this bush here, or if it's coming all the way over from that tree. My guess is it's coming from that bush. And even still, this bush, whenever you plant bushes in your landscaped area next to your grass, don't get them this close, okay? Because ultimately you're going to have issues like this here. Okay, look at all the roots here. See, that one's pretty big right there. And granted, it hasn't lifted this up yet, but I'm going to chop these out after I pull this out. And here's another reason why, if I had a pick, here's another reason why you don't want to start picking, next here. Oh, I'll just get my pick. Come on, Joe. Just get a pick and get that out of there. You get the tree roots and all. Guess what else you'll get and all? See that? That's a landscape wire for this light here. And there's another light right over there. So I know that wire comes along here. So another reason why I've got to be careful as I'm probing along with my hammer. Last thing I want to do is hit that, because then I'll have to fix that. So, look around for landscape lights. Here's another one over here. See that one? So I know when I get ready for that, I'll have to be real careful with that too. And so now I'm ready to pull this out. I was kind of curious to see if I could get this out with my hammer, and I'm pretty sure I can, because it's only a 2-foot section here. See there? Look at that. Oh. Let's leave that over there. Okay. Now, these roots, see this root here? Look, it comes all the way over in here. I'm going to dig all this kind of stuff out of here to get this big root right there. See where it comes right here? Look at that. It's huge. I'm going to have to get my Sawzall out. I've got it charging up in the garage. And I've got to get all this other stuff out of here. Look at, that's what I'm going to be up against when I get going further over there where all those other tree roots were. I'm going to have stuff like this. Okay, so I'm just going to carefully work at that right there. Get this big, huge tree root out of here, and I'll probably go beyond this wire, dig it out there in a little hole. I can chop it off there, and then I'll come across here where the grass line is. I don't want to go encroach into the grass, and I'll dig this out, and I'll get ready to chop that big, huge root out of there, and all that, and get that going. Okay, it's not really hard. It just takes the effort to make your place look nice. If I can do it, of course you can do it too. That's just kind of odd, because if it is coming from that tree, it's coming all the way over to here. And it's funny, all of this mowing strip along this edge is all nice and straight, not lifted up at all. Okay.